We got more shit. We get money. We got a Hellcat this time. Challenger Hellcat. Said Shorty got up out of there for shit show. I know Chargers, cop cars not fucking with these. These got way more horsepower than those. For shit show. He ain't driving regular, bro. I don't understand why they be bothering people, bro. They be bothering regular people, bro. Niggas need to go on about their life. Word. Shorty gonna get up right behind him, creep up like a weirdo. Light him up. He ain't even do nothing, bro. He ain't even do nothing. Nah, that sound effect is OD. Take him to Gabblebees. You gotta get up out of there, shorty. Fast. Like, real fast. Y'all understand that feeling when the chase first start, like, alright, you gotta get in that mode now. I'm not playing no more. This real shit happening. Not playing with life no more. That shit is gone. Gone, I tell you. Look at the distance in that motherfucker. Yo, look at the distance though. The distance is crazy, bro. He hit like 160, 170 the most. But he's out of there, nowhere to be found right now. If he would've blacked out, come on, ain't not seeing him, bro. It's dark time. Car going mad slow. Stuck at 130. It caused her to be stuck at 130. That's them Fords, bro. That's how the Mustang is. The shit trash. You got a Mustang as a shitbox. If it's not a GT500 Shelby, don't talk to me. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Could really talk about cars, bro. Niggas really know how to Infinities give it up. Where's Shorty even at, bro? I do not see Shorty at all. He still got the sirens on, bro. Oh, they gave up.
You guys enjoy the HELLCAT versus Pursuit videos.
Yeah, that shit got up out of there.
Talk about with that. Number one.
Oh, that's a different one right here. Boom, bang, bang. Oh, they split. It was two of them. Him and his man split. That's a trackie. Oh, how you and your mans come together though? That's crazy. That shit, I think that's a regular Jeep though. I don't think that's a track. That shit would have been moving more geeky. I feel like. You can slow them down for them speed bumps, for. You gotta get up the neighborhood. You gotta get up on the highway, bro. When you go through the neighborhoods, you hitting mad speed bumps, speed zones, school zones, all types of shit. It's a Hellcat in the track. Oh my goodness. That shit eating. That shit eating shit up. That shit going. No diddy. No diddy, no diddy. Y'all be wild in the comment section. Take him again, but you gotta play elevator music, bro. That's how fast he got up out of there. Gapplebees. Nowhere to be found. Turn your sirens off. I would turn my sirens off, bro. I would have gave up. They got another one right here, though. Got a whole different video right here. It's a couple in one, bro. Oh, this is a what's the name? Let's see if he crash out. I feel like he gonna crash out. You know how Mustangs got bad reps, bro. No cap. Oh, what he doing? Oh, it's a car in front of him. But he on top of him early. I don't know if that's a 5.0 though. I hate Mustang. I would never get a Mustang. Fuck them car. Straight, long road, bro. Where you at? They straight line right behind you. They catching up, bro. They going as fast as you can. They're doing the same thing you could. You gotta do something they can't. Say bless you, nigga. What the fuck are you doing? You in the comments, say bless you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Shorty is geeking on. He out of there. I lied. Shorty Maxos. Stay tuned. That's crazy work though. How you do all that off the straight road though? I'm telling you, the Mustang bad car, bro. Probably spent out in traffic. He just going straight from that long, bro. Alright, they catching up on his side. Coming on a snake road. That's where he probably went wrong on a snake road. For shit show. You gotta have control of that motherfucker. You ain't got control of that motherfucker, you doing something wrong, fool. Oh yeah, he getting up on the side of him. Once they get up on the side of you, know what that mean, bro. If you're not gassing it right there, it's over.
When's the last time I used that thing? When did it become a clothes rack?
Damn, it took him that long to catch, bro. Like where y'all even at, bro? You're in the middle of nowhere, bro. Like, weird ass roads, bro. Yeah, he bumped him. Yeah, he on the side of him, crash out. Yeah, once you start doing that, you know it's over. It's over. Once they hit you one time and you start wobbling, you can't catch it, and you're done. You're done. Now let's see what the drive is. Let's see what the drive is, bro. No, it's a dweeb. A straight dweeby. Hop out the car, fool. Hop out, fool. It's a white dude. Try to get him out of the car. He thought he was lit. He was not getting away. He thought he was gangbanging. I didn't think I'd reaction. This nigga is straight stupid. Stupid. Just chill, folks. We got motion. We get my Facebook WGM porn. We out.